Looking for an efficient way to produce high-quality laundry soap? Check out this 30050 Oak GGH fully automatic production line. Starting with premium soap noodles as the raw material, it begins with thorough mixing for uniform consistency. Through multi-stage milling and refining, the soap mass is compressed to ensure a smoother texture and dense structure. Next, the vacuum plodder extrudes continuous soap bars, removing air bubbles to prevent hollows and cracks. Then comes automated logo stamping and precise bar cutting, seamless and fast. From raw materials to finished products, the entire process is fully automated, saving labor costs while boosting capacity. Contact us today to get your custom soap production solution.